You want to look coming back with it, and today I'm going to do this with it. I'm not going to be that out because of my look and my church. I'm making a video now. I'm doing my judo setup. It's all the same. I just shift my handcuffs around and I put my flashlight over back here. But I got me the flashlight. It should be coming today. And I'm going to have to come and get it out in a few minutes. Yeah, so first one's right here. First right here, I have my rhythm light, flashlight. I had to cross somebody across the street or something. Next right here, I'm on the type of keychain. My keys, handcuff keys, bike glove, whistle, my grandpa let's go. Yeah. I really recommend this. So if you handcuff somebody, try to run away. Next, go ahead, I have my cross-strap double MacBook. Load it. I'm ready. Next, right here, my dropper gun holster. It was my new count on 757. I'm about to get out right here to show you guys. You can on 757. Load it. I can have that trick. I guess I need a permit for it. That's not true. That's what the pastor said, but yeah, it's super powerful. Next right here would be my knife. I lost my knife. I put it on pocket. I'm not sure how I lost it. Next, right here, my first aid kit. I got me some more band-aids. Then I have my pepper spray. Next, right here, my little holster. I have my black bicycle. Off-band cuffs. I put WD-40 in all my cuffs, and now they're way smoother. Way smoother. I love them now. I really love them. Oh, and guys, also, I bought me a new flashlight on Shan. It should be coming today, but I'm buying me another flashlight, which is way wider than one I bought from Shan. So the flashlight I bought from Shan is probably gonna be my backup flashlight, and the one I'm gonna buy on Amazon for $20. It's gonna be way wider. Next, in my pepper spray case, on it, got my backup flashlight. Okay, hope I know y'all gonna be on YouTube. My backup flashlight. Pepper spray case. Next right here, in my nylon case. I'm at Smith & Wesson Model 100 M&P cuffs. Double lock action. Level lock. And these are way smoother. Way faster. Yeah. So guys, always put WD-40 in your handcuffs if they get rusty or something. Next I have my bookkeeper. And my black handcuffs. What, is he asleep? My handcuffs. These are the best ones. They're not my best cuffs. They're not my favorite cuffs. They're my second favorite. Well, they're my third favorite. My fourth. But I'm saying these are the best ones with the WD-40 because it's the smoothest one ever. It's still wet. That's why I hate taking these off. So I put on. Because the main time I really take them off is if I really have to handcuff somebody. Next right here, my open top flashlight case. My flashlight is broken because my nephew broke it. Guys, see the crack. Yeah. I just keep it there for a look. Right here will be my radio. I left at home charging. I forgot it. Next right here my tourniquet case. My cat tourniquet, I believe it is. In case somebody gets shot, stabbed, put this on them, save their life. Guys, trust me, this will hurt you. And always. Let's say you get shot right here. Let's say you get shot right here. Most people think that you have to put it right there. No, put it up here. This will stop the bleeding. Trust me, it will hurt, but trust me, it don't matter if it hurts. As long as I save your life from dying, that's all that matters. Next right here, my 360 Wilson baton holder. My Thunderbolt baton. I believe it's 21 inch. I'm not sure. Next, my pocket and my wallet. Flashlight. Then in here, have me my backup flashlight, off-duty carry, the small one, and the same one. And last, have I put my silver visor cutter. These are also smooth because I put WD-40 in them. These are really smooth, really good now. So always put WD-40 in your handcuffs. And you have to put the WD-40 right up inside there. Then I can wet them and dry them, or else you're gonna have to turn so they can dry. Yeah, that's basically it. Sorry guys, I lost my knife. I'm getting me instead of giving me another knife, I'm getting me a multi-tool. It has like some tools, a knife, bottle opener. Yeah. Oh yeah, I finally got my little piece of kitty shit. I'm happy about that since it's getting to be winter. Yeah, so last time the bill, I gotta go back on post, look at my chair. Yeah. Let's come to the bill. Peace out.